Hi, my name is Dinesh Kumar, Department of B Civil Engineering. I talk about radiometer and photometry. Radiometry. In radiometry, we measure the radiant energy in absolute terms from any part of electromagnetic spectrum. It is the measurement of radiant power of energy within that part of electromagnetic spectrum that is optical, meaning it is reflected by glass or can be focused by a lens. This includes microwave, infrared, visible, and ultraviolet wavelength, approximately in the range of 1 millimeter to 100 nanometers, 10 power minus 3 to 10 power minus 7 meters, or frequency of 3 into 10 power 11 to 3 into 10 power 16 hertz. Radiometry excludes radio waves, X-rays, and gamma rays. Okay, next, photometry. Photometry. In photometry, we measure the energy from the visible part of spectrum in terms of the visual response it produces. Okay, next, we basically make four types of measurement in radiometry and photometry. First one, radiant flux and luminous flux. Second, radiant intensity and luminous intensity. Third, irradiation and illuminance. Fourth, radiance and luminances. Okay, we can see first radiant flux and luminous flux. Radiant flux and luminous flux. When we measure the total amount of energy emitted in all directions from the point source, then in radiometry we call it radiant flux, unit watt. In terms of response of the eye, in photometry we call it luminous flux, unit luminance. Next, radiant intensity, luminous intensity. First, instead of measuring total energy, we measure the energy going in a particular direction. Then we call it radiant intensity in radiometry and luminous intensity in photometry. We measure this energy per unit of solid angle, which is known as strident. Unit watt per strident in radiometry, luminous per strident in photometry. Luminous per strident is known as candela. Third, irradiance and illuminances. Next, when we measure energy or light incident or falling on a surface, we call it irradiance in radiometry of illuminance in photometry. Unit watt per square meter, luminous per square meter, or lumens per square foot. Next, luminous per square meter equal to lux, luminance per square foot equal to foot candela. Fourth, radiance and luminance. When energy or light is reflected or emitted from a surface, then we call it radiance in radiometry and luminance in photometry. Here we measure the amount per solid angle reflected or emitted by a unit area of the surface. Unit watt, luminance candela, 1 pi candela, 1 divided by pi candela divided by square meter equal to apostolic 1 divided by pi candela divided by square foot equal to foot lambda. Summary, you can see. Next, source power. Okay, source power. Radiometry measure the entire radiant power and the quantities derived from it. Next, photometry measure that part of the radiant power preceded by the human eye as light. Okay, this is the summary. Okay, thank you to all.